If you want to mine crypto on your mobile phone, then this video is for you. Watch the full video, don't miss any step. Hi guys, I am Telha from Technical Office. In this video, I will show you how to mine crypto on your mobile phone. It's not required a laptop or a laptop CPU, just required your oldest or newest mobile phone. It's so easy to mine crypto on your mobile phone by the strategy I am using. So, and don't forget, this app is not available for the iPhone devices. Sorry for that. And it's available for all Android devices that you are using. Don't be sure that it is the oldest one or the newest one. So, and don't forget, this app is not available on the Play Store. Watch the full video for finding this app and mining crypto on your mobile phone by your mobile CPU. So let's go to our mobile screen and find how to mine crypto on our mobile phone. If you are watching this video till now, you really want to earn crypto from your mobile phone by using your mobile CPU. So don't waste any time. You have to come on to your Chrome browser first. After coming to your Chrome browser, you have to search for scalaproject.io. This is the platform that we can use it to earn crypto in our mobile phone. So you can see here mine Scala on your PC and Android smartphone devices. So you have to click on these three dots. After clicking on these three dots, you have to click on mobile miner. After clicking on mobile miner, you can see here the picture of mobile. This is the mobile miner. So you can use your phone and mine cryptocurrency. So you have to scroll down and click on download.epk. So after downloading the EPK, so you have to come on and open the Scala project app. So you have to mine crypto. So you can see here. So if you have Scala wallet, you have to enter your wallet address, and if you don't have, you have to create your wallet. So after you have created your Scala miner wallet created successfully, you have to enter your wallet address and you have to paste your wallet address and next. So this will loading pools, and so you have to click on the first one and click on the next. After clicking on the next, you can use your CPU temperature. You can high and low that, and battery temperature and cool down their salt. So you can high and low this. So I will click on I am ready. After clicking on I am ready, so you have to click on OK. So you have to click on start. So it will mine, and you can see here there will be the hash rate and temperature and activity. So this is how you can mine cryptocurrency in your mobile phone. So you can see here calculating hash rate 100%. So it will mine my, so you can see here hashes per second is 15. So you can see here mining have been started, and so the minimum payout is 50 XLA. After reaching this amount you have to withdraw. So all this for that video, and this is our miner. If you liked the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel for these kind of videos and share it with your friends. Bye.